Okay, this is a Rotary Encoder, it's called, working with our ESP 32 board by Keyestudio. You can see that as I turn the cork handle here, we're getting different positional readings. As I turn to the right, the position reading goes down. As I turn to the left, the position reading goes up. So we should be able to incorporate that into some programming. How did I get the code here? I went to ChatGPT and asked, write code for this board and the Rotary Encoder, which is called a KY040. How did I know that's called KY040? It's not written on here. I took a picture of this and then went to Google and asked. That picture right, that camera right there, I took a picture with that and then asked, what is this? And when I got the answer, then I included that in my request for ChatGPT to write the code. The code that's written came out perfectly the first time. There was no modification needed. Here's where you just click on copy. And then I pasted this code into Arduino. And what I'm told is I don't necessarily need the pin. You can see I've only got 4 wires out of the 5 pins. The SW pin is for the button. So if you use that pin, you can then write a program that the button does something when you press it. It runs on 3.3 volts, not 5 volts. We don't need our external power because actually I want to have this cable connection to the computer so that I get feedback on my programming. As I turn the knob. So this is just one example of how we can use, in this case, ChatGPT, to write a program if we know what our hardware is. Copy the program, paste it into Arduino, and assuming that we don't need additional libraries in this sketch, it included the libraries that we needed and defined them. So there will be more.